The visual arts industry has lots of incredible youth engagement programs that we can learn from across all sectors. The Saturday Club is a partnership within Moreton Bay Regional Council and the QUT Widening Participation program, which aims to build aspirations on students from different areas. We invited young people from aged 14 to 20 to be a part of this program. It's really an opportunity for these young people to get a taste of what the visual arts industry is really like and to demystify study pathways into this industry, because there's so many incredible opportunities that you can get when you study visual art.
It's been amazing, like meeting all these people. I have more people to discuss art things with who are like really invested in the same things that I like.
When you are engaged in visual arts, there's belonging, there's creativity, there's problem solving. There's so many different outcomes from visual arts engagement that really helps any student, but particularly the students of the Saturday Club.
From this experience in the Saturday Club, I've learned a lot about the different jobs in the art industry, curating and installation.
I've learnt so much over the 7-week program. Lots of new ways to do art.
The reason why I think visual arts programming and engagement is important is because if you are given the opportunity to realise, reconcile and explore who you are and where you come from, you are more likely to know where you're going. And this is achieved through visual arts, and this is what we've achieved in the Saturday Club.
Something in the creative industries or in the entertainment industry is always the thing I've had my eye on. This has helped me a lot with the different jobs that I could possibly do. I could possibly be in other workshops or even other exhibitions after this.
So today was the exhibition opening of Vision of Youth, which is a culmination of all of the artworks and the learnings that the students have eventuated over the last couple of weeks during the Saturday Club.
So my name is Jessica. I graduated last year not knowing what I wanted to do, and one day I was looking through my emails and email popped up saying, "Oh, do you like art? Do you not know how to make a career out of it?" And I'm like, "Oh my God, that's me." And so I signed up, came here. It was very awkward for the first couple of days because nobody really knew anybody. And after a while, we all got to know each other, and it was much better actually coming to do this with friends and coming to make amazing things.
This has been a really incredible experience for all of these students. They love making art. They love forming friendships. They've learnt new skills, they've seen new pathways, and a lot of them, feel really good about themselves. I was so blown away by everything that they've accomplished. This has been an incredible group of young people. They've been incredibly inspiring.
This experience really opened my mind and taught me more about the arts industry. I've always loved art. I still want to go through with art.
I still want to do art in the future, hopefully be part of more exhibitions.
This is something that has been a part of my life, and I want it to be a part of my life.